Hi, I'm Tyler from TELUS, and I'm here to answer the question, where do I set up personalized notifications? First off, you're going to want to open your TELUS Smart Home app. Then you're going to want to tap the menu button on the top left-hand side of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap Notifications. In this menu, you can turn on or off push notifications to send notifications directly to your phone, or turn off and on individual notifications. To manage your notifications, tap the gear on the top right-hand side of the screen. In this menu, you can manage your notifications, or you can add new notifications by hitting the plus button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. When adding a notification, you're going to choose which sensor, door lock, or camera the notification will belong to. You can also manage your recipients. Push notifications will go directly to your phone, or you can also add individual cell phone numbers or emails to receive notifications as well. You can also set a time frame for your notifications to happen. So if you want it to only happen during the week, you can set it Monday to Friday. Or if you want notifications to stop after a certain time every day, you can set this here too. If you get a new phone or are reinstalling the Smart Home app, make sure to check your push notifications are still enabled. Once those push notifications are on, you're all done. I'm Tyler, hope that helps, and thanks for watching.